Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the back camera on the iPad Pro 2020 11-inch edition. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. The most vital part of iPad repair is proper heating. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On iPad devices, make sure to heat the front side of the iPad. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or something similar. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert a couple of plastic upright tools and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling the flex cables attached to the logic board. Once the separation is completed, pull the LCD and slide down to remove the shield by undoing two screws. The top cable's width is short. Pay attention while removing it and then disconnect the connector. Next, lift the screen to 90 degrees, just like halfway through to open a book, and then undo 3 screws to remove the shield. And then disconnect 4 connectors to pull out the screen. Now the screen unit can leave from the body. Next, on the top right, take out the camera bracket by undoing 5 screws. Next, remove the not working rear camera by undoing one more screw and disconnecting 3 connector plugs. Next, place the new camera in the body by adding the screw and 3 connector plugs. Next, place the bracket by adding 5 screws. Next, place the screen to the body by connecting the LCD and touchscreen connector plugs. Make sure the connections are secured and then add the protector shield by inserting 3 screws. Next, move to the top and take 45-degree angle like closing a book. Slide the screen down and then connect the top connector to the logic board. Ensure the connection is secure and then place the shield by inserting 2 screws. Next, to clamp up the iPad, slide in the top section first and then followed by the bottom. Click in the top section first, then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides. Finally, use screen binding clips to tie the screen to the frame. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.